The Embassy of India in Beijing and Embassy of Bangladesh in China jointly celebrated the birth anniversary of Gurudev Rabindra Tagore and Bangladesh's national poet Kazi Nazrul Islam with a delightful culture medley at Swami Vivekanand Cultural Center of the Indian Embassy in Beijing on Saturday. The ambassadors addressed the gathering and gave their insights on how both nations share so much in common and how a celebration of the two men of letters in many ways embodies the multicultural and pluralistic kaleidoscope that is the Indian subcontinent. Bangladesh's Ambassador Mahbub-uz-Zaman said that both nations are bonded together through the events that shaped the glorious Bangladesh War of Independence in 1971.
The celebrity event that we are organizing this evening reminds us once again of the close ties and links that we have between our two neighboring countries. We are bonded together through the events that shaped the glorious Bangladesh War of Independence in 1971. It was Bangabandhu, the father of the nation, that said before a thunderous applause, I remember those words at the Kolkata Brigade Parade Ground on March 1972. নিঃস্ব আমি রিক্ত আমি দেবার কিছু নাই আছে শুধু ভালোবাসা দিলাম আমি তাই I have nothing else than to give love and I am giving that to you.